Start.
Today I have come to remove Apis dorsata hive. These bees are Apis dorsata. They are called as the Apis dorsata. They are called as Indian giant honeybee or Indian wild honeybee. We don't believe in killing the bees. We believe in protecting and conserving honeybees. So we use this smoker. This is called as a bee smoker. We smoke them and then we remove the hive safely. Cut.
Chalo.
I will suggest everybody not to try this at home because it is very risky. To do this, you require skill, knowledge of bee behavior, and you require training. And also the most important thing is experience. Otherwise, you will end up in a hospital. ये आप ट्राई करोगे बिना एक्सपीरियंस या नॉलेज के तो आपके फोटो पे हार लग जाएगा. बी वेरी वेरी कॉशियस. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्मोक द बीज. See, it is raining honeybees. See, if you handle them properly, they are very docile and calm. Otherwise, they can become savage in 1 second. They can kill you and they can give you multiple stings. I'll show you guys Apis dorsata from a very closer proximity. See, this is how Apis dorsatas look. These are Apis dorsatas. See, these are Apis dorsatas. One more time, I'll show you how Apis dorsatas are there. Very closely. See, this is how Apis dorsatas look. These are Apis dorsatas. See how calm they have become. ये कट कर मैं बना see, you can see this portion. This is honey and this is just see, this portion is honey. There are no eggs in it, so technically we are not killing any brood. There are no eggs in this hive. This is a very newly established hive. We are not killing any bees. ये आवाज आ रहा है नीचे का. This is a very newly established hive. There are no brood in it, so technically we are not killing eggs. See, there is no brood in it. This is the hive. There are no brood in it. It is empty. It is a very newly established hive. इधर हाथ में पकड़। हेलो, ये हाथ में पकड़ो सर, मैं ये गिरूँगा। Now there is some little bit of honey that we are going to collect. See, this is the pollen. These are called as pollen. These are pollens. See, this is dosada honey. This is dosada honey. ढक्कन खुला है ना? This is dosada honey. This is a brood. No honeybees have been killed. बंद हुआ?
नहीं चालू है।
No honeybees have been killed. ये बंद कर सकते हाथ मारो। Yeah. No honeybees have been killed while removing this hive. Now I have left some honey purposely, so they can feed. They can keep the honey in reserve. They will take their queen and they will migrate from here. I will show you. See. This portion of the honey been purposely left over here. See, you can see the bees continue humming. See.